everyone, welcome to Sneakeroos. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing, but first, before I get into that, please follow our channel at Sneakeroos and like and subscribe. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing, so we do have a pretty big box, so I'm excited to see what's in it. Let's take a look. So we're not really sure what this is going to be, but I guess we're going to have a look all together. So before anything, oh, we do have a big box here. So why don't we take a look together? We have this nice box, has some gold elements to it. Looks pretty fancy. Here's the front of it. So let's take a look. Ooh, okay. So we are going to be unboxing these right now, both together. So why don't we take a look at what's inside? Okay, guys, let's have a look. And wow, we do in fact have the Kobe 3 Protro Halo shoes. These basketball shoes were dedicated to Kobe Bryant, so I'm really excited to be having a look at these. Oh my god, so we do have the triple white here. It's not my type, but I'm sure that any of you boys out there, or even men out there, would love these shoes if you're a big fan of Kobe.
Oh no.
These do look really comfy though. Just taking up a close-up look at these beautiful shoes. Honestly amazed by these shoes. The amount of detail that's put into this is just amazing. At the front we do have the little debris here with Kobe's signature. We have the Nike swoosh at the back, and we do have sort of a pattern going here. Not too sure, but it kind of does look like waffles to me. If any of you know what it's actually called, just leave it down in the comments. But yes, we do have lots of detailing at the back. It also has a carbon fiber shank at the bottom. So honestly, such an amazing shoe. It looks beautiful, and if you're into fashion, even basketball, these are amazing shoes to have and own. And again, these are the Kobe 3 Protro Halos, and these are from Nike. And up until then, I'm Samantha, and see you in the next Sneakeroos video. Please check out Sneakeroos for any more of our content.